Merry Christmas! I am so excited because today we have a book called Sign with Friends, Christmas Signs. So we're going to read this fun Christmas story, and while we read it, we're going to learn some sign language. And I am so happy because it's almost Christmas, and I love Christmas time. So come on, friends, let's get all cozy and read this fun story. Tonight's the night, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. So the first sign we're going to learn is the sign for snow. So we're going to flicker your fingers as you sway your hands downward like falling snow. Ready? Snow, snow. Can you do it with me? Snow. Good job. Snow is falling down tonight. Do you like the snow? I do. Snowflakes twirl and spin around like dancers in a show. Snow is falling down tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Our next sign is for lights, like Christmas lights on a tree. So we're going to use our middle finger to flick your chin 2 times like flickering lights. Flick, 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 flick. Lights are shining bright tonight. What colors do you see? They decorate the world outside and hide inside on the tree. Lights are shining bright tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we're going to do a sign for wreath, like the wreath on my door. So we're going to cup our hands and move them in a circle shape like you're holding a wreath. A wreath. Good job, friends. A wreath hangs on the door tonight. Why is it shaped that way? A circle means that love and joy are always here to stay. A wreath hangs on the door tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Woohoo! Now we have the sign for tree. So we're going to rest our elbow on our hand like a Christmas tree standing tall. And we're going to open your tree hand wide like tree branches and twist your wrist 2 times to show off your beautiful branches. Like this, friends. Twist, twist. Look at my branches. Super cool. The Christmas tree shines bright tonight. What's missing underneath? No presents yet, but they'll arrive while everyone's asleep. The Christmas tree shines bright tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for music. I love to sing Christmas songs. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's learn the sign for music. So we're going to move our hand back and forth above your arm like you're moving to music. Music. It's like we're conducting, right? Music. Music fills the air tonight. What's your favorite song? Move your body and clap your hands and also sing along. Music fills the air tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Sign for cookie. So we're going to keep one hand flat like it's a plate. And we're going to touch your fingertips to the plate like you're holding a cookie cutter. Now lift your hand and twist your wrist and tap your fingers down again, just like you're making cookies. Cookies. Okay. Cookies smell so good tonight. What kind do you make? There's gingerbread and sugar cookies. You can decorate. Cookies smell so good tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for candy. So we're going to touch your pointer finger to your cheek like you're pointing to your sweet tooth. And now twist your wrist 2 times. 1, 2, candy. Candy bowls are full tonight. What makes candy fun? Decorate a gingerbread house before the night is done. Candy bowls are full tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. And now we have the sign for love. Look, my shirt is Christmas lights in the shape of a heart for love. So we're going to cross your hands over your heart like you're giving yourself a great big hug. Love. Hearts are full of love tonight. What are you thankful for? For yummy food, amazing friends, and family to adore. Hearts are full of love tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for movie. Hold one hand in front of you like it's a TV stand. And then you're gonna place your other hand towards the top of the TV stand with your fingers spread wide. Now you're gonna rotate your wrist back and forth a few times like a movie is playing an exciting scene. Movie. A holiday movie plays tonight. What movies do you like? My favorite is Elf. Get a drink, pass the popcorn, and snuggle up real tight. A holiday movie plays tonight. A special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for Elf. Bring your hands to your ears and pinch your fingers together as you move them upwards like you're showing off your pointy ears. Look, I have reindeer ears today. Elves are working hard tonight. Are they almost ready? Yes, of course, the sleigh is packed and everything looks steady. Elves are working hard tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for Santa. Cup your hands and move them to show off the shape of Santa's beard. 1, 2. Santa's delivering presents tonight. Does he mind the snow? With his boots and winter coat, he shouts, ho, ho, ho. Santa delivering presents tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for reindeer. Spread out your fingers as wide as they can go and touch your thumbs to the side of your head. Now move your hands away from your head to show off the shape of your antlers. Reindeer. Reindeer pull the sled tonight. Do they use wings to fly? They use Santa's magic to soar high in the sky. Reindeer pull the sled tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. Now we have the sign for gift. Turn your hands into little pirate hooks and move your pirate hands up and forward like you're giving a precious treasure away to someone special. Gifts are under the tree tonight. What secrets are within? It's almost time to open them and let the fun begin. Gifts are under the tree tonight, a special night. It's finally Christmas Eve. And last but not least, we have the sign for Christmas! Yay! So, we're going to make the letter C for Christmas, and then we're going to move your hand across your body like the shape of a rainbow. Christmas. Christmas magic wakes you up. Ready to celebrate? Get out of bed, you sleepyhead. No time to hesitate. It's finally morning, a special morning. It's finally Christmas Day. Yay! Friends, I loved reading this story with you and learning some sign language today. I had so much fun. And friends, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a happy holiday. And I hope and wish you so much love and joy this year. Well, friends, I will see you and another story really soon. Merry Christmas! Bye, friends. Bye.